original, which will differ in a date. It will give us the date when I transfer it to a memory stick.
Bese kuthi ke icopy lena ke le engayenza ngo2023 yona ke izohluka ke ngoba ke izohluka ke nange date le idate le engayenza ngakhona ngayo ngo2023.
Even some of the pictures will not give the exact name. It will come up with another name that it creates when as I copy.
Futhi ke neyithombe lezi ke angeke zibe naleli gama ke lizoba nelinye igama ke igama elizothi ke libe khona ke noma lidaleke ke kuyona icopy noma uma ngikopa.
So a copy original data that is from the memory card downloaded and is converted into a PDF format to show the metadata of every picture won't be exactly the same with the one that is a copy that was transferred into a memory card.
Bese kuthi ke idata ke lena ke eku memory card angeke yona ke kube eyodwa ke nale yona ke eya be isindluliselwa ke noma itransferwa.
That's the reality. It won't reflect the same metadata, but it will be the same picture.
Kuzoba isona isithombe sona kodwa ke imininingwane lokho kubizwa ukuthi phecelezi ke imetadata angeke kube kufanele noma kube yikona.
The reason behind that is I took it straight from the XRY format, copy it into a memory stick.
Ngoba ke izathu noma ke imbangela yalokho ke ukuthi ke ngayikhipha ke kule format ke bizwa ukuthi XRY ngabe sengidlulisela ku memory stick.
Yes.
Unconverted, as you transfer it into a memory stick, it will give you the date when you transfer. I can't remember very well with whatever, but if it can be here, I can tell you.
Kodwa ke uma ngabe usindlulisela ke manje izokunikeza idate leyana ke okuyiyona engayitransfera ngayo engasayikhumbuli kodwa ke uma ingalana make ngayikhumbula.
When I say original from the memory card or from the phone, remember the data that you said it's stored for future reference. It's logged. Whatever was downloaded 2015, even today it will stand as it is. It won't change because it's logged. For you to change the information, you have to convert it into a PDF or copy it like I did.
Kodwa ke noma yini ke noma lokhu ekubonaka kwagcina ke kuyona isystem yethu noma kwenzeka ke ngo2015 uma ungaya khona ke lapha ngoba ke kulokho noma kubhalelwe ke angeke kushintshe lutho ngaphandle kokuthi ke bese kuyashintshwa kudluliswa kuyona ke kuyitshintshelwa ke PDF noma ke kuyakopia noma manje ngoba mina ngenza.
You tell me when you're done, Warrant Officer Mabasa.
Yes, I will. That data that was requested to be copied.
Yes.
It's a copy.
Yeah.
With a reference of a date different to the original one.
Lemini lokho kwacala ke bona kuyi copy ke kwaye futhi ke ne reference ke ehlukile ke kule eunqo.
I'm done. Thanks, my lord.
Warrant Officer Mabasa. Just to check up your memory, how many times did I ask you that are we agreeing that the information that was downloaded from the memory card that was in accused number 3's phone will be similar? It will be identical, even when it gets transferred into a USB and into a disk. How many times did you say, yeah, no, it should be that should be the case?
I may have maybe not hear you well.
Yeah.
But the reality is, from the original to a memory stick, it won't reflect the same, because by then you are modifying, you are copying from that picture to an action is happening, it will tell us when, why, it will give us the date when you do that.
Kusengenzeka ukuthi ke inkathi ke ukusho noma ukubuza ke lokho ukuthi imininingwane ukusuka kuyona ke memory stick ma isindlulisela kayishintshi ukuthi ke angibuzwanga kahle ke kodwa ke ukuqiniso ke ukuthi angeke ke kufaneke uma usukuthatha ke original usungidlulisela noma ke ukukopia noma ke ukutransfera angeke kufane noma kube into eyodwa.
Yes.
I may have misunderstood you or understood the word memory card and memory stick. They sound the same. I couldn't hear it well. So what I'm saying now, from the memory card, it will remain the same. When you convert it using the XRY to view the pictures, as you take that picture into another storage, it will change the date. It won't be the same with the original. It will give the date of when you did that.
Kusengenzeka ukuthi ke amagama ke wasebenzisa ke la engakuzwanga khona ke kahle kune memory card kune memory stick kodwa ke uma usungidlulisela ke lokho uma nje unezela kusona ke isithombe leso uma isindlulisela ngalena ke i-date izoshintsha.
My apologies, I didn't hear you well there. I may have answered otherwise. I didn't hear you well, my lord.
Ngiyaxolisa ke lapho kusengenzeka ukuthi angikuzwanga kahle ngiyaxolisa kulokho.
Mr. Mabaso, my question is, how many times did we agree on that? Simple as that.
I
Was it
didn't count.
once, twice, or 3 times? Or
I
do
didn't
you want me
count.
to remind you?
If it will serve the purpose, yes.
It's not my purpose, it's for the court's purpose.
We are
Let
referring
me
to court.
remind you, I've said it 4 times. You said, yeah, no, yes, we agree on that. The information must be the same.
That's-
Information must be the same. Information must be the same.
That's why
Do you still remember that?
I'm saying I may have misheard or confused the word memory card, memory stick.
Ingakho ngisho ke ukuthi ke kusengenzeka ukuthi kube yiphutha kumina ke ukuthi ke amagama la amabili ke memory card kube no memory stick.
And it happens, I'm human.
Kuyenzeka ke lokho ngiwumuntu.
Mr. Mabaso, for heaven's sake, you are an expert. That's how you were introduced. In fact, that's how you introduce yourself. You are an expert. How then on earth does an expert in your field confuse a memory card and a memory stick?
He doesn't say it confuses him. He say he may have misheard you or misunderstood you. I mean, what more must he say?
No, but that's what he says, Mother. He says he was confused. He confused the word memory card and a memory stick. It
Yes.
comes from the word confusing.
And according to him, there's a difference between a memory card and a memory stick.
Yes.
So if you confuse the one for the other, the results can't be the same. Am I correct, sir?
Yes, and I'm trying to explain.
Oh.
I didn't
Experts
hear.
don't make mistakes.
Come again?
Experts don't make mistakes.
I do understand, but I'm not an expert.
Okay.
I'm an analyst.
You're an analyst, okay?
Yes.
Yenza ke uma kuthiwa ongoti ke abawenza amafutha kodwa ngiyena ungoti kodwa ngiyumcwaningi.
Exactly. How on earth would an analyst who has been working on this thing for more than 3/4 of their life can today come and say, I have confused a memory card and a memory stick? How does that happen?
It happens.
Does
I'm
it
human,
just happen now?
and an analyst is a person. If you hear and you don't hear well,
Huh.
it happened. I didn't hear you well, like I'm saying.
Kuyenzeka ke ngoba ke umcwaningi.
I'm not denying. I'm saying I did not hear it. I thought you are talking about the memory card, memory stick, memory card. That word, memory card, memory stick, confused me as to where are you referring to?
Ngiyakuzwa ke kodwa ke umcwaningi naye ke umuntu amaphutha uyawenza ke ingakho ngishilo ukuthi ke lamagama amabili ke memory card, memory stick.
I confuse the word. That's the honest truth. I confuse the word.
Mr. Mabasa. Mr. Mabasa. I thought you had come here to assist the court. But I
Yes.
have no reservation in saying to you that we have come here as a hired gun. We have just come here as a hired gun. But unfortunately, when the gun arrives here, it starts to misfire, as you are just doing now. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm putting it to you, Mr. Mabasa, that you have come here. Or I had thought that you had come here to assist the court. However, from what is happening now, I have no reservation in putting the following to you. It can be interpreted.
It's fine, let him finish. You can finish and let him answer.
No.
Okay, mina-ke bengithi-ke noma bengicabanga-ke ukuthi-ke uzela nanjengomuntu-ke nomufakazile ozolekelela-ke inkantolo, kodwa-ke lokho kwenzekayo-ke manje noma-ke engikuzwayo-ke kuwena-ke awuzile-ke ngalokho ukuthi uzolekelela-ke yona inkantolo.
You have come here as a hired gun. And unfortunately, you being such a hired gun, you start to misfire when you are supposed to do your work as a hired gun.
Kodwa-ke manje-ke lokho-ke okuyikona okuzeleke lana awukwenzi noma asikona-ke okwenzayo ukuthi-ke ulekeleleke inkantolo.
I
Have a
have
comment?
just misheard you from the word memory stick and memory card. But all in all, the pictures on the memory stick and the pictures on the memory card are the same.